Hey, it's Mitchell, and a couple days ago I posted in the Reddit forum for Xiaomi enthusiasts that I'd had the Mi Pad 4 for about a week and to ask me your questions. And I did this because I wanted to have questions that I could possibly answer for an upcoming video, but also to provide hopefully some helpful information for the Reddit community. I'm gonna go ahead and answer your questions to the best of my ability, show you guys some examples of what I'm talking about. Before we jump into this though, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and if you're on Instagram, check me out at Mitchell Millennial. I post a ton of content, a lot of street photography from living here in Vietnam, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, first question is how much is it, and is it better than the Samsung flagship tablet? With how Samsung likes to spec out their devices, this is probably not better spec than the Samsung device. Also, the top tier Samsung tablets usually use an AMOLED display. This uses an LCD display. Now, in favor of this device is that if you're a hardcore Android enthusiast, Xiaomi supports unlocking the bootloader, custom ROMs. So if you want to go ahead and put your own software on here, you probably can. Someone asked, did it actually get a global stable ROM so that Netflix will work on it? And long story short, in the comments, it is still on the China ROM. I'm running a beta ROM, it's very stable. Someone who has a couple of these devices has side-loaded Netflix onto the device, and Netflix apparently runs without any issues. So if you want a dedicated Netflix device, this should fit the bill, and all you would have to do is sideload the APK. I read a lot. Would you recommend this for reading books? Does the battery last long enough? Have you had any overheating issues? How's the screen brightness? Screen brightness is great. I like flying my drone with it in direct sunlight. I usually have a hood on it, but you probably wouldn't need it. Also, is this good for reading books? I have a dedicated Kindle for reading, so I would probably say no. No LCD screen is gonna be that great for reading. It does have a dedicated reading mode, but it's still an LCD screen. Battery life. Battery life on this device is excellent. You're looking at anywhere between 7 to 10 hours screen on time with heavy usage. If you're using light applications like Facebook or Chrome, possibly even longer. Battery life. Battery life on this device is excellent. You're looking at anywhere between 7 to 10 hours screen on time with heavy usage. If you're using light applications like Facebook or Chrome, possibly even longer. How does the battery life compare to the Nexus 7? I would say it's probably about as good as the Nexus 7, maybe a little bit better. I don't quite remember how good the battery life on my Nexus 7 2013 was, but this device doesn't seem to stick out in my mind as having significantly worse battery life, if not probably a little better. Would I buy this device again? And for me personally, that is 100% yes. I have the needs for a tablet for what I do for photo and video. I like not having Facebook installed on my phone, and I leave that kind of up to the tablet. I am working towards minimizing the time that I spend on YouTube, so uninstalling YouTube on my phone and keeping that for a dedicated tablet application is also probably in the near future. I would 100% buy this device again. Are there any issues with the Chinese ROM, untranslated text, unusable features? No. All of the Xiaomi apps I've either disabled or I don't use, and I replace them with the Google ones. And there's only the Chinese App Store that is not translated. Someone asked, does it have better build quality than the iPad? My current significant other has a iPad Mini 3. I wouldn't say that this is a better made device, but if you could somehow break down the dollar per unit of build quality metric, for the price, I would say this is better made or has a better build quality than the iPad does. I have a Mi Max 2 as my daily driver. I'm thinking of getting this for watching videos, playing games, browsing, light reading. Is it worth getting, or should I just wait for the Mi Max 3? My answer to this is gonna be a little bit long and a little bit unorthodox. I am starting to move towards using my phone as a dedicated communication device and my tablet as a personal entertainment slash web browsing device. And my suggestion to you would be to get a smaller phone like a Mi 8 SE, something that has Bluetooth 5.0. And I'm gonna be doing a video about this later, but you can actually connect your tablet to your cell phone via Bluetooth and get the phone's internet connection. So you can still stay online without massively taking a hit on your battery life by using a Wi-Fi portable hotspot on your phone. It's a great option. if you have the space to carry 2 devices, and it's something that I'm looking to move more towards. Someone asked, the Mi Pad 3 supported Windows, does this support it too? The developer community for this device is too new to know. I'm sorry. I want to know about gaming capabilities. I play Arena of Valor mostly, so can it handle 60 frames a second? I don't play Arena of Valor. I play a couple different driving games. I'll show them on screen right now. I play a fair amount of PUBG. PUBG runs great. All of the high-end driving games I play also run really great. The 1080p screen, although it's technically a downgrade from the Mi Pad 3, the lower resolution plus brighter colors, I guess you could say, make a really great combination for gaming, and I have no issues. Can't stream Netflix at 720p or 1080p with the Mi Pad 4. I don't know. I haven't put Netflix on here, but you can get Netflix to run if you sideload it. Does it have any extra USB ports or anything outside the charging port? No, it has a USB Type-C port. I have connected thumb drives to it via USB OTG, and those mount fine. I can browse them without any issues. Okay, that's going to wrap up this answering your questions for Reddit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. If you are watching this from Reddit, an upvote on my video would benefit my channel. And if you have more questions, I hope you either leave them here on the video or in Reddit, and I will do my best to answer them for you guys. Till next time, it's been Mitchell coming to you from Hanoi. Peace.